which is really bothering me, yung pong mga lumalapit sa opisina, those are who are seeking assistance to pay for their medical bills. So, siyempre nakakalungkot, di ba? Dapat by now, ramdam na po yan. So, yun, sana kumasave pa natin para ma-prioritize natin yung mga beneficiaries.
Sir, kanina sa interview, just forgot the name of the lawyer, lady lawyer ng Department of Finance, they are insisting kasi na hindi naman daw yung premiums o contributions yung affected, kundi ito yung government subsidy. At may sapat naman daw pa rin na pondo na maiwan ang PhilHealth to finance or to pay for the hospitals.
Well, kasi po, yung UHC fund, iisa na lang po yan. Whether it's the members, galing po sa membership subsidy, yung pong subsidize din natin sa indirect contributors,